Guys, AWP sent me some awesome little goodies. Tool bags. Got a 2-pack accessory tool bags. It's gonna be really cool. It's actually helped me organize some of my stuff and be able to take it over in Japan.
Go ahead.
Right now?
Yes.
No?
Time.
Are we ready?
Yeah, it's rolling.
Oh, it's rolling. Okay. All right, guys. This is John from Character Red. The guys at AWP sent me some cool stuff. It's a 3-in-1 electrician tool carrier. It's got a neat little kind of trap jaw in there to trap some of your tools. Also got this tool pack, and I already put my hand tools in there. So I actually moved on a bag that I was already carrying that was a lot bigger than this and put all my hand tools in here. I got another one, so I'll probably use that when we get over in Japan. And then I moved from this basic DeWalt case to the AWP one that they sent me. It's the 18-inch cargo tool bag. So I don't have everything set up on the outside because this is actually going to Japan with us. We're moving to Japan here shortly. But I've got all my Porter cable drills, my socket sets. They got some neat little pockets down in here. I've slid some batteries, so everything fits. And then the great part is I can still put my hand tools all in one bag, zip it up. So yeah, I want to thank AWP for sending me out these tools, and stand by for some more videos once we get out to Japan, once I can deck these things out and take them to the wood shop. All right, see you guys.